Creating surveys from scratch is officially a thing of the past. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI inside Google Forms to build a professional grade survey in seconds. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to forms.google.com and clicking on Blank Form. Immediately, you'll see a Gemini window pop up. This is where you describe exactly what you need. For this example, let's type Spotify Listener Feedback Survey. Pro tip: the more detail you provide, the better the results. If you have specific data or requirements stored in your Google Drive, just type the @ symbol to pull in content directly from your files. Hit Create and let Gemini do the heavy lifting. Once it's finished, take a scroll through the draft. If it's not quite what you're looking for, no worries, just click. Try again in the top right corner and Gemini will generate a fresh version. Once you're happy with the draft, click Create Form to lock it in. Now you have a solid template, so you aren't staring at a blank page. You're free to edit the title, tweak the description, or add your own images and videos to make it pop. You can even add entirely new sections to organize your questions better. As you scroll to the bottom, you'll see a feature called Suggested Questions. This is a game changer. Gemini generates extra questions related to your topic that you might have missed. Simply check the ones you like, hit Insert Suggestions, and they'll be added instantly. If none of them fit, click Retry for a brand new set of ideas. To add a specific question manually, click the Add Question icon. Type your question and use the drop-down menu to choose your format, whether that's multiple choice, checkboxes, or a short answer. And don't forget, if there's a question people absolutely must answer, toggle the required switch at the bottom. Now, let's make it look professional. Click the Paint Palette icon to customize the theme. You can choose a header image and adjust the colors to match your brand. Before you go live, click the eye icon to preview exactly how the form will look to your respondents. Ready to share? Click Send or Publish. To get a cleaner look, click the link icon and check the box that says Shorten URL. This gives you a much more manageable link to copy and paste onto any platform. As the data starts rolling in, click over to the Responses tab. Google Forms automatically builds real-time charts, pie charts, bar graphs, and averages, so you can visualize your data the second it arrives. It's that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more productivity hacks. I'll see you in the next one.